сборной Австрии. Поехали! Прозвучал стартовый свисток. Сборная Австрии, выиграв сегодня... А нет, здесь будут и полуфинал, и финал, причем из одного матча, и там одно очко, и все. Ну а сборная Румынии, если она сегодня проигрывает, то шанс для сборной Румынии станут. Интересно, что обе сборных давно не очень ярко в группе с Камеруном почти регулярно. На чемпионате мира 98 года и на Евро 2000 момент у сборной Австрии. Перехват, мяч в игру сразу. Полузащита у сборной Австрии. Раз за разом забирают они мячи. Оттуда вот такой вот подкат защитника. И ну, на этом, как говорится, все. Но для мяча вперед. Проникающая. Так, обычно говорят, бросать из-за боковой. И вот бросок в район вратарской. Там потолкались румыны. И вот в единоборстве правила. Как раз против Даниэля Берлинги шифровать футбольный клуб Стява Бухарест. Передача назад. Баварии. Ну, возможно, это связано. Тут бы как бы сборная Австрии не вместе с Пармой дружно вылетели. И потом довольно долго не могли выбраться из серии Б. Получился точным. Янис Хаджи с мячом. Разворачивается. Защитник сборной Австрии. Прилетает мяч. Кипчу подхват. Не 90-х, которые было много поклонников. Детей известных футболистов. Есть дети футболистов. Янис Попеску и... Точнее, Янис Хаджи и... Передача в центр. Для того, чтобы пройти дальше, учитывая... Откатил капитаном. Алаба на фланг. И установить рекорд. Подача. Не получился удар. Передача. Пробил Хаджи. Пробил защитника. Пяткой отдает назад. И вот он такой хитрый пас пяткой. Не получился. Андрей Рацио. Его нет. В гостях 4-0. Ну, а дома у себя, которого мы, кстати, сегодня еще можем увидеть. Ну и Пошта. И поскорее Кипчу заторопился вперед. На Михайле передача. Быстрее спешит в контратаку. Контратаковать австрийцы. Снова мячом в Вен. Теперь уже Забицер попробовал забежать. Заработал в конце концов угловой. Австрийцы подавать не будут. Целый Пушкаш, который к Ференцу Пушкашу никакого отношения не имеет. Валентин Михайле. Самый активный в первом. Играть не в Бундеслиге. Ну и вот они. Сборную Голландии. В группе Австрия не знала ни поражений, ни ничьих. Разыграли, наконец, мяч. Возобновилась, наконец, игра. Нет, подача Давида Алабы. Или хитрый пас на Забицера. А до подачи на свободное место. Свободное место есть на правом фланге. Андрей Рацио. Мячом на своей половине поля. Какая уж тунала. Но подальше. С обостряющей передачей. Получится только вот так вот отправить мяч. И вернулся в нее уже в 20-е годы. Скидка. И сейчас занимает одну из административных. И оттуда подача Конрада Лаймера. Подключение. В глубине играть. В спину. Ну тут... Так как будто пинкамыни. Нет, ну пока раздумывал игрок. Конрад Лаймер. А тут вот сборная Румынии не рискует. Это вот как до сих пор очень мало вызывался. Если вызывался, сидел в запасе. Ну вот... Расио Молдаван. Куда его девать? Так вот покатать, как вино на языке. И в конце концов... Описывает такое состояние. Алба на двоих пошел с мячом, но он достаточно готовит Алабу подачу. Все-таки сборной Румынии. Да? Касаний в чужой штрафной. Довольно важный. 6 раз футболисты сборной Австрии в румынской штрафной касались мяча. Передача. Ну вот еще касание. разыграл. Вот теперь подача. Руку у себя за спиной. И дальше бросаешься к судье и спрашиваешь «Шите». Но у сборной Румынии есть стимул спешить. Уж больно картинно падал.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel for more updates related to football. Today we are going to preview the FIFA World Cup 2026 Group J match between Austria and Jordan. This is one of the most interesting games of the group stage because both teams are starting their World Cup journey. They are starting their World Cup journey with different backgrounds. Austria are returning to the World Cup after a long absence, while Jordan are making history by playing in their first ever FIFA World Cup. The match will be played at San Francisco Area Stadium in United States, and both teams know that the good result here could be a very important according to their situation. It was important match according to the chances of reaching the knockout stage in FIFA World Cup 2026. Before we talk about tactics and predictions, let's look at the situation in Group J. The group contains Argentina, Austria, Algeria, and Jordan. Argentina are considered the favorite to win group, which means Austria and Algeria are expected to fight for second place. Jordan, however, will try to surprise everyone and prove to belong on the biggest stage in football. Because of this, Austria will see the opening game as a first win match. Jordan will see it as a chance to create one of the biggest stories of the tournament. Let's start with Austria. The Austrian national team has improved greatly under coach Ralf Rangnick. They impressed many football fans with their performances in recent international tournament in qualifier. Austria are known for their organized pressing, quick passing and energetic style of play. They have several players competing in top European leagues and they have much more World Cup experience than Jordan. Austria also qualified with strong performances and entered in tournament with confidence. Austria's biggest strengths are their midfield and quality and tactical discipline. Players like David Alaba and Marcel Sabitzer are bring leadership and experience. The team looks like press high, win the ball quickly and attack with speed. When Austria are playing well, they cannot control possession and create many chances. Their players understand Rangnick's system and work hard for the entire match. That teamwork makes Austria a dangerous opponent for any team outside the world's elite nation. However, Austria are not perfect. Sometimes they struggle when facing teams that defend upon on play on the counter-attack. They also lost an important player, Christopher Bermater, because of injury before the tournament. While Austria still have a strong squad, losing a creative player like Baumgartner, it is not ideal, but coach Rangnick has warned his players not to underestimate Jordan because several Asian teams have already surprised. They surprised stronger opponents during the World Cup. Now let's talk about Jordan. For Jordan, simply reaching the World Cup is already a historic achievement. This is the first World Cup appearance in the country history. The players arrive with pride, excitement and desire to prove themselves. Jordan qualified after impressive performances and scored many goals during qualification. Their journey has inspired football fans across the country and throughout the Middle East. Jordan's biggest weapon is their fighting spirit. They are a team that never gives up. They usually defend with discipline and look for opportunities on a counter-attack. The player many fans will be watching are Musa Al-Tamari, one of Jordan's most talented attackers. His speed and dribbling ability can cause problems for defenders. Jordan know that they are not favored, but that can sometimes remove pressure and allow players to perform freely. Another reason Jordan should not be ignored is the success of Asian team at this World Cup. South Korea defeated Czechia. Australia beat Turkey and Japan earned a draw against Netherlands. These results show that gap between continents is becoming smaller. Jordan will use these examples as a motivation and believe that they can also surprise European opponents. When we compare these two based on ranking and squad value, Austria clearly have the advantage. Austria are ranked about 24th in the World Cup, while Jordan are around 63. This ranking difference reflects the higher quality and greater experience within Austrian squad. Austria also have more players competing in Europe's strongest leagues. On paper, Austria are the stronger team in almost in every area. Let's compare the likely tactical battle. Austria will probably dominate possession from the beginning. They will try to push Jordan back into their own half and create chances through quick passing combination. Jordan are expected to defend with many players behind the ball and wait for counter-attacking opportunities. Their goal will be to frustrate Austria, stay organized and look for mistakes. If Jordan can keep score a level for the long time, pressure could start building on Austria. One key area will be midfield. Austria have more technical quality and experience in this part of the field. If they control the midfield, Jordan may spend most of the match defending. Austria's ability to win second balls and press aggressively could stop Jordan from building attacks. On the other hand, if Jordan can survive the pressure and launch quick counter-attacks through AI Al-Tamari, they may create dangerous moments in the match. Another important factor is experience. Austria have participated in previous World Cups and major European tournaments. Many of their players have played against world-class opponents. Jordan are entering in complete new territory. The atmosphere, pressure and attention of the World Cup can affect players differently. Sometimes debut teams play fearlessly, but sometimes nerves make it difficult to perform at their best at higher level. Austria's experience could be a major advantage, especially if the match becomes tense. Looking at the recent opinions from analysts and football experts, most predictions favor Austria. Many previews expect Austria to win by at least 1 or 2 goals because of their superior squad depth, organization and attacking quality. Some analysts predict a 3-1 victory, while betting markets also strongly favor Austria. But football is never played on paper. Jordan have already showed that they deserve to be here. They have nothing to lose and everything to gain. The longer they stay in the game, the more confident they will be. If they score first, the pressure on Austria could increase dramatically. That's why coach Rangnick has repeatedly warned his team not to underestimate their opponent. So that my prediction for the match, I believe Austria will start strongly and control most of the game. Jordan will defend bravely and create a few chances on the counter-attack. But Austria's overall quality should eventually make the difference. Austria have more experience, a stronger midfield and more attacking options. Jordan will compete hard, but over 90 minutes, Austria should have enough quality to secure the victory. My expected result is Austria 2, Jordan 0. I think Austria will score once in the first half and once in the second half. Jordan will make it difficult for them, but Austria should collect all 3 points and put themselves in a strong position for the rest of the Group J. A surprise result is possible because this World Cup has already produced unexpected outcomes. But Austria remain the clear favorite heading into this match. Final prediction: Austria win. Predicted score: Austria 2, Jordan 0. Man of the match prediction is a Sabitzer. Expected possession: Austria around 60 to 65%. Austria around, according to the Jordan, around 35 to 40%. Austria should take an important first step toward the knockout round, while Jordan will hope to earn respect and possibly create a history in the match ahead. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this World Cup preview, don't forget to like a video, subscribe to our channel, and share your own prediction in the comments below. Do you think Austria will win comfortably? Or can Jordan produce a famous upset? Let us know. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.